Now we're going to look at our stabilization. The manual says to go into fly-by-wire A mode. Any stabilized mode will work, but we'll do what the manual says, fly-by-wire A. When the nose goes down or the tail goes up, wow, this went down, which would cause the plane to tip down even more. This one went up. That's what it's supposed to do. So the left V-tail is not working correctly. So to fix that, we'll go into config here. This is where it has to be fixed. Let's see, servo 2, 79. Yep, that's the V-tail left. So right here, we're going to reverse that channel. 0, tab, right. Okay. Now we go again and we pick up the tail. Both of them go up. That's exactly what it's supposed to do. And if the nose goes down, both of them goes up, both of them go down to bring the nose back down. So that's been corrected. Real quick while we're here, let's look at ailerons. When the right wing drops, whoops, the right aileron comes up. That is incorrect. That would make it just roll, roll, roll. That is fixed over here in servo output and setup. We'll just click reverse right here on the ailerons. Now, when the right wing goes down, the aileron goes down, that pushes the wing up until it's level. If it goes up, the right aileron goes up, pushing the wing down until it's level. That is fixed. Now, what we need to check real quick is how are our manual flight controls doing? Once stabilized is fixed, then you fix manual. Once stabilized is working, then you fix manual. We'll go into manual mode right here, set mode. Okay, aileron right. Oops, there we go. That's fine. The right aileron went up. That pushes that wing down. The plane goes to the right. Left aileron, exactly the same thing. That aileron goes up, wing goes down, it goes to the left. That's perfect. Elevator, we'll pull back on the stick. They go up. That's perfect. Push forward, they go down. That's exactly right. Rudder, left. That's exactly right. That's exactly right. That's the way it's done. In this case, if you found any of those, I'm going to screw one of those up for kicks and grins. I'm going to go into my radio. No, I'm not going to reverse it. After stabilized mode is set up correctly, you go into manual mode, and when you move your controls, something is not moving in the right direction, change it in the radio. You can't change it in the platform because that'll make the flight controller controlled modes wrong again. You have to change what you're saying from the radio to the platform to get both of them to work in unison. So after stabilized mode has been set up in the software with channel reversals and stuff, you go into manual mode, and I'm going to actually go into my radio, and I'm going to screw up channel 1 by going in and reversing the servo and show you. Now when I go aileron right, look, that aileron goes down. That is not correct. That's going to make it go to the left. I see it was still in the stabilized mode. If I'll choose fly-by-wire A mode over here again, set mode. In stabilized mode, if that goes up, that aileron goes up again, exactly like it's supposed to in stabilized mode. But in manual mode, when I go right, it's not working correctly. So again, you go and make those changes in the radio. I'm going to reverse that channel again here in the radio. And now when I go stick right, that aileron comes up and it's working correctly. I hope that makes sense. When you're chasing a VTEL incorrect movement in stabilized mode, it's a little bit hard to chase down where it is, but it's really in servo 2 and servo 4 function. You'll get that working right. I hope that helps everybody. Have a good one.